Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for commenting on my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my round extra short soft gel full nail covers, and these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. As always, the link will be down below, but all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out before we begin applying our polygel, and I'm just making sure that they fit wall to wall. So for polygel today, I'm going in with this shade by Ohuhu. I'm sorry, I can't read what shade number that is, but for my slip solution, I'm going to go in with some alcohol, and this is 70% alcohol, if anyone is curious. This dapping dish as well is actually supposed to be for candles, but I use it for, obviously, my slip solution, and I got it from TJ Maxx in case anyone was curious. But as you can see, all I'm doing is going in with the pea size amount and just putting it in my nail covers and making sure that the cuticle area is thinner than the rest of my nails. And yeah, I just totally completely fill up the full nail cover, and then when you apply it, you just want to make sure that you're swooping around the sides and also flattening the underneath of the nail before curing. And you really want to make sure you do this before curing, just because if you do it after you cure, it's just going to be a whole process of removing and filing down. So you just want to make sure it's almost perfect before curing. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my nails. Another tip is that sometimes I do multiple nails at once and then I go in with my lamp and cure, and that's just going to help eliminate the time that your hand is in and out of that UV lamp. But when I do go in, I do a flash cure, and then after I finish all my nails, I do a full cure for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So now I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and just wiping down my nails before we begin filing. My nail file is an 80/80 grit nail file that is purchased from Amazon. The link to my storefront and the direct link to this nail file will be down below in the description. Just going in now and wiping down those nails again before we begin our design. For our design, I forgot to mention this is a no white top coat by Nails Cat Cat, and this is a subtle glitter top coat, so it's clear but it has like a little literally subtle glitter in it as well, and it's definitely one of my favorites. I'll be sure to have the link to it down below. And for our design, we're going to be using rhinestones. So I'm going in with this drill point rhinestone gel pen. And these crystals, they're kind of showing up as silver on camera, but they're actually like a bronzy champagne type of tone. So I'm going in with that drill point pen, and I definitely recommend getting this if you do stones often, because it just makes the process of applying them so much easier. But I'm just going in with that and this wax tip applicator, and I'm just doing a line design. So I'm starting with a big stone and then going to small. So super cute and super simple design today. And yeah, I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply my stones. So to finish everything off, I'm going to be going in with my rose cuticle oil. I say it in every video. You definitely need an ultra hydrating cuticle oil, because if your cuticles are dry and crusty, no matter how cute your nail design is, your nails will not be cute. So here's the final look. I'm super obsessed with this nail design. It was super easy, very beginner friendly, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy my video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. And how are you feeling about my new background? I have a new like marble design. Did anybody notice that there's no more Bounty paper towels? I'm stepping up in the world. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.